this guy trying to get us lost. Bougatza. So this is the Bougatza with cream and cinnamon, the traditional one with less sugar.
Cream cheese.
This one had goat cheese and this one is cream cheese. I think we put less sugar in here because we were told it's very sweet.
I like my cinnamon better.
You like this one better?
This is cinnamon, this one.
2 minutes from our hotel for breakfast. Breakfast starts around 10 here. Alright, so we just got Bougatza. Nearby our hotel is about 10 minutes away. What do you think of it? So,
yeah.
The goat cheese traditional one, we put less sugar, but I think you should put maybe medium sugar. We really like the cream cheese one, right? That was pretty good. Here at Crete. So we just got some gyros at Oasis. It's a very long line. So this gyros had like oregano, tomato, sour cream. It's really good. It's about €2 at Oasis.
€2.
€2, yeah. Just because dinner around the place we start is at 9 p.m. They're eating there one last time here, Chania. It's been a wonderful 5 days here. We are in Chania. We just woke up. We're about to go to the seafood restaurant and eat some amazing seafood that was freshly caught from today. Most of the fishermen are nearby, so we could tell that this is going to be a great dinner. See you then. So this eggplant has pepper, onions, some herbs, olives. It tastes a little bit bitter. It's cold salad, and it is here in Achilleas in Chania. And this is our view. It started raining. So we got grilled bream, which is pretty popular here. We had this the other day, and we also got sharks, which I haven't had in a long time.